y'all doing today? I am doing well. Let's address the elephant in the room. My makeup goes hard today. I have never looked this good in my life, I don't think. And it's all because of these lashes, I fear. So, these are the Kiss You Do You lashes. And you can't get this like specific style anymore. Here's the packaging. I actually still make these. I order them all the time expecting them to one day come in and they're like, but these ones are so thin and wispy, they don't look the same. And I wanted to ask you guys, if you have a dupe for these lashes, please let me know. I would do anything. I will pay any amount of money to have my freaking more pairs of lashes like this. If I had a time machine, I'd probably go back to a time when these lashes were still on the shelves just so I could buy all of them. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I forgot to move my green screen. Oh my god. I guess the cat's out of the bag. I made a gaming channel, so hey, subscribe to it. It's right here. I'm probably gonna have a video posted before this one to announce the gaming channel. I don't know. I made a poll on here, I think it was like last year or the year before last, and I was like, hey, what do you guys think about me uploading some gaming videos? And you guys hated that idea. So I was like, okay, cool, we're gonna have a separate channel. I like doing like beauty content and stuff, but I like gaming. It's really fun. I made a second channel. I don't know if you guys remember last year. It's been about a year ago. I got some colored contacts in. Cole Eyes were really generous and gracious to have sent me some pairs to try out. That's been a year ago, and the colored contacts I picked out are only good for a year, so this video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. Like, I bought these. The contacts you guys are used to me wearing, I'll put a picture on the screen. They are from Pinky Paradise. They are the Eurasia Crystal Gray. And I've been having trouble ordering from their website, so I thought today I would try out a new brand of contacts. So here's the boxes. This is TTDeye contacts, so we're really excited to check these out. I ordered 4 pairs of contacts. They have some really good deals on their freaking website. I ordered the 4 pairs of contacts, and then I also got this bad boy. It's a 6-pair case contact storage. I thought it would be easier. Right now I have all my contacts in like just individual things, so I thought it would be good to have them all in one place. They sent them just that in this box, and this is a Sanrio character. I don't know who this is. My niece was just over on the weekend, and if I had opened this up, I would have given this to her because this is probably something she would like. Alright, so I've got my case here. This is the box that has the actual contacts in it. I have opened it up because I was gonna write on all of my little things what color I had, but look at what I opened it up to. They actually sent, I didn't order these, they sent me a little pair of Halloween nails. I didn't order these because it's not Halloween anymore. Maybe they were just like going through their inventory, and I don't know, but they sent me a little pair of nails, so that was pretty cool. And then they sent this, it says it's a little hand mirror. Yeah, so it just has like their thing and this little mirror. There's another one of those little Sanrio characters. I don't know who this is. I just don't know. The contacts are all in boxes, and they have sent each pair has its own case, and each case has like little tools to remove and put in contacts, and I think that's really cool. So I've got 4 new cases for them. Here are the contacts I ordered. I want to get a dupe for the Eurasia Crystal Gray ones that I wear a lot. So I ordered 2 gray contacts, 1 blue pair, and a brown pair of contacts because your girl's eyes are so brown. And I just watched the True Beauty anime, read the webtoon, and watched the K-drama, and I don't know, it made me want to try out some brown contacts, you know? I don't know. So I've got 4 pairs we're going to be trying on today. Yay! It looks like they also have sent some little stickers. Oh, there's a little wine glass sticker. I like that one a lot. Replace your lens case every 3 months. I didn't know I was supposed to be doing that. What in the heck is this? Are these like temporary tattoos? More Halloween stuff? I didn't see this when I opened it. Alright, quick reminder. Here's my eye color. It's a very, very, very dark brown. I've opened all my contact cases and put solution in them. So the first pair we're going to do is the Polar Lights Gray. I did this last time I got contacts. It says to soak them for 8 hours before using them. Well, you know, we were good last time. Today, we ain't going to be that good. I'm not going to lie. So they come in little things like this. Oh my god, they are like white. I can barely see them. Oh my god. I do have different prescriptions per eyeball. Negative 2.25, negative 250. So this is the left, this is the right. Alright guys, I've got them all lined up with my prescriptions on the right side. The third pair we're trying on today are what looks to be the closest to my normal contacts I get. But yeah. Alright, so this is the first pair we're going to try. These are called Polar Lights Gray, and they look really, really white. They look solid white. I'm going to try to get them in. I should have brought a tissue or something to dry my freaking watery ass eyes. These are stunning. They're really, really cute. My eye's gonna keep watering. I like how they're really like light gray without being like shocking. They look like they were going to be so white, and I feel like they look kind of natural. I don't know. Really cute. I'm going to go put the other one in real quick. So here's our first pair. Polar Lights Gray. I feel like these are stunning. Like, they are so pretty. I can see me wearing these a lot. They look really good with my makeup style too. I tried to keep it neutral so that it wouldn't throw off the colors of any of the contacts that I was trying on, but yeah. Polar Lights Gray are a big hit for me so far. They're really comfortable too. When I first put my contacts in, my eyes water really bad, and I never put them in when I have makeup on. I always put them in before, but anyway. Alright guys, so the next pair we're going to be trying today are brown. They are Iris Brown, and I've never actually had a brown pair of colored contacts before, so I'm really anxious to see how this goes. They kind of look hazel, like a golden yellow brown. Oh wow. Oh, you can't even really tell a difference in those in my natural eye color. Can you see a difference? I have it in this eye. Can you see a difference? I'm gonna have a colored contact that looks natural. That's kind of exciting. Alright, now I have both of the Iris Brown contacts in. I feel like I could just like lie and tell you guys I have them in, and they just look like my eyes. Maybe it's because my eyes are already so brown. I wonder what these would look like on somebody that had like blue or literally any color other than brown. They're cute though. I don't know, sometimes I just want to be a brown-eyed girl. I wish they were more like brown circle lenses though. They made my eyes look bigger, but these are still cute for a natural look. Alright, so we're about to do the third pair. These are going to be called Real Crystal, and these look the most like the Eurasia Crystal Gray ones I usually get from Pinky Paradise. I've been the most excited to try these out. Let's not waste any time. Oh yeah, this is how you guys are normally used to seeing me with my contacts in. They're a lot like my normal contacts. Let me go ahead and put the other one in real quick. Alright, here's the Real Crystal pair. Oh, my eyes, I'm sorry. They keep watering the changing of the contacts. These are gorgeous. I think this is my favorite pair, honestly. They are so freaking pretty. They're not quite as light as the ones I normally get, but those, some people have told me that they look creepy because they look like they're like solid white. I mean, it pleases my night elf heart, but I get to the regular human beings, it's probably creepy. These are really cute. I like them. Something I need to mention so far, I mean, this is the third pair I've had. These are so comfortable. They're very thin, so they don't feel heavy on your eyeballs. I don't know, they're really, really nice. They're very comfortable, and my prescription, I can see very well out of these. I'm really, really stoked about these. I got 4 new pairs of contacts to wear. Alright guys, we're down to the last pair of contacts, and these are going to be Havana Blue Gray. They look like the ocean. Oh my god, they're so pretty! Stop, look at them! Oh my god, they're so pretty. Let me get my freaking stupid tears out of the way. Try not to mess my makeup up too much because I'm about to do a gaming video. These are so cute. Look at how well they show up next to my dark brown eyes too. I feel like they show up very well. Alright, so that is going to be all for the contact video. Let me know which of the 4 pairs down below was your favorite. I don't know. I thought they were the first pair, but every pair I tried on, right now they're this pair. I think I like them all equally, surprised. Even the brown ones. I think I like the brown ones as much as I did all the other ones, which is a shocker to me. I just loved all of them. I'm so happy. I think I'm gonna keep ordering from this company because they're very comfy. They didn't take very long to get here. And the website, well, at the time I ordered, they had sales like buy 2 get 2 free, buy 3 get 3 free, buy 4 get 4 free. They had like big sales going on. I was like, I'm here for it. Let's go. I should have the video up before this one, but if I don't, I am launching my gaming channel. So here it is. Please support me there if you want to. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.